In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your company logo in QuickBooks Online, making your brand's identity clear and professional. If you're ready to give your QuickBooks account a more personalized touch, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate over to QuickBooks Online. So, if you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and head directly to QuickBooks using the URL provided. Make sure you're logged in with the correct account so you can access all the features. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice several options in the navigation pane to the left. You're looking for something labeled Accounts and Settings. This is where you'll manage most of your customization options within QuickBooks. Go ahead and click on that. Entering the Accounts and Settings menu is like stepping into your company's command center within QuickBooks. Here, you can customize various elements of your account to better fit your business needs and enhance your financial management experience. Now, let's talk about adding your logo. This is an excellent opportunity to reinforce your brand's visibility each time someone interacts with your company via QuickBooks. Within the settings, look for an option that displays an image placeholder, often representing your company's current logo or a default icon. It should be quite noticeable. Click on this image. Doing so allows you to interact with it and make updates. After clicking, you should see an option to upload. Click on Upload and a file explorer will pop up, allowing you to choose your new logo file from your computer. Select your logo image from your files. Remember, when selecting your image, the file format matters. QuickBooks typically supports common formats like JPEG and PNG, so ensure your logo is in one of these formats. Also, make sure it's of high enough quality. Crisp and clear presentation is key to a professional look. Once you've selected your image, give it a few moments to upload. You'll usually see a preview of the logo appear in the placeholder, confirming the upload was successful. Take a moment to check that everything looks good and that the logo is presenting as expected. If everything looks all right, save your changes. You should now see your updated logo anytime you or others interact with your QuickBooks account. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've effectively updated your company's logo in QuickBooks Online. This small but crucial change helps maintain a consistent brand presence and gives your financial reports and invoices a more professional appearance. Thanks for following along with this guide, and as always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy bookkeeping!